Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm sorry I'm a little late. How was the weekly analysis, guys? Just let me know that first. Our weekly target, the way I explained on the weekly analysis video, remember these lows, that low, this, and these lows, these lows. That was our weekly target, and around NFP market will take that liquidity. Before taking this liquidity, market will trade this 50% of that monthly week. How was everything? Okay. Today's trading has done already before opening the chart. From the hourly chart, that was the clean sell side liquidity over here, the same way we have explained. From 15-minute chart, here market came around this area, traded those new days opening gap, one new days opening gap, two new days opening gap, three new days opening gap. So went all of these through. Sell side liquidity has been taken. This is the candle around 8:30 NFP candle. Market trade that NFP candle, then keep falling for sell side liquidity. From 1-minute chart, this is that 15-minute fair value gap. Over here, market has traded that 15-minute fair value gap, made market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap. You know that your target is here. This also liquidity is your target. Entry opportunity from that area around 9:30, which is also the first presented gap after 9:30, which is also first presented gap. If you miss this entry, no worries. There is another opportunity, market structure shift, fair value gap. You have to cover at least the gap has, it has to cover the high, which has made this fair value gap perfectly traded one more time this gap low, then boom, took that extreme liquidity, which was the extreme liquidity from our weekly analysis video. So it has taken that liquidity. Now what market will do, I don't know. Weekly target has been filled the way we have explained perfectly. This is some more liquidity. Are they willing to go for those liquidity? I need to see this now, but trading for today is done already. Before even opening the chart, it has already done. By the way, how was your day? Everyone is cool? Okay. Did you entry? No, I just came. I was outside. I just came and started the streaming. So didn't trade. But the volatility, I'll go for maximum one contract. Let's see if it can fall for those sell side liquidity or not. Now it is an extremely, it's a big fall. I have to wait some kind of liquidity taken first, even if I expect that this market will keep falling for more liquidities. Let's see if it can provide it something to me or not. We'll go for maximum one micro contract because you know already what happened to my apex. I don't know I will be able to continue this one or not. It was huge trouble last night, also this morning London session. Already gave them the mail to the support. Let's see what this reply. Tamimi, you are here. Hey George, it's been a while, man. I don't see your name. How are you, man? Cool. Okay, Tamimi. When we can start the giveaway? Because I start late. So what do you think? When we should start that giveaway? And we'll choose from the Discord. So whoever with us in our Discord group, here is the link. I have pinned it to the comment box. Just join to our Discord to join to the 100k trader funded account, direct funding account. Hey George, thanks man. No, I'm not waiting for reversal. I'm more interested about the sell side liquidity, but I would love to wait here because market has already done its job. It has fallen to the weekly target has been taken. This is that weekly target that has been taken. So if you have watched the weekly analysis video, you knew that this is going to take that sell side liquidity. It's not going higher. It should go for that liquidity after the NFP. So this is the NFP candle. Market trade that NFP candle. Do kind of accumulation before 9:30. After 9:30, provided two opportunity from first presented gap or from here. This is the two opportunity. This one is kind of risky in my opinion. I should not go for this one because if I take this one, my stop loss will be there. It's too much. Otherwise, yeah. Hey Theo, it doesn't matter if even if it closed below the sell side liquidity. It closed below the sell side liquidity. That means it has taken that liquidity. It has taken that liquidity. Now, if I would love to see that this market will keep falling, then I need a fair value gap around that sell side liquidity level from 15-minute chart. I need that fair value gap. So if I get a fair value gap, maybe I'll start to think that this fair value gap will be worked as a resistance and market will fall for the next sell side liquidity level, which is 2640.25. To be honest, I don't want to see this, but yeah, we'll see. Let's hit the okay. What did you say, Tamimi? Okay, Tamimi, what do you say when we can start the draw? It feels very good when I see something I have predicted 7 days ago, sorry, 5 days ago, and it is happening the whole week. Now the volatility is huge. Entry opportunities are very bad. Sometimes market are very high volatile consolidation. But overall, from the very high time frame, we draw a line, market follow that line exactly. Tick and seems, I mean, step by step. It is so perfect. Let's wait for more people to join. Okay, okay, yeah. We'll just okay. We can wait until 11:30. There's nothing wrong. We can wait until 11:30. Draw will be from Discord, but I will do the draw in live. But I mean the competitors will be chosen from Discord. Who is whatever you want to do, go for that. Okay, I'm not looking for buy. I'm not looking for sell. I'm just waiting to make some kind of structure first. So if market can make some kind of structure, I'll start to think about next entry. If it doesn't make, then no interested to trade because the weekly job is done. That is the weekly job it has done. So I need to wait more. What does it want to do now? Hey DB, how are you? Katie Khan, I don't know, brother. I really don't know. It will keep falling or it will reverse now. By the way, today the first presented Favelka after 9:30 worked perfectly today. It was so perfect. It was here, I guess. Yeah, it was here around here. It worked perfectly today. No, I didn't get the driving license yet. Body close below the liquidity level doesn't mean that this market will keep falling. It doesn't mean that. It means market has taken the liquidity. There is no liquidity left. So it has taken the liquidity. A big job has done from the weekly chart, from the monthly chart, from the daily chart. Market has done a big job over there. So after when market finish some job, it doesn't need to go for another job. It can wait for little, take some rest, and then maybe it will start to go for next job, so next area to trade, something like that. Hey SK, thanks for the penguin, man. By the way, what about your situation current now? I mean, anybody trade the NFP or after NFP or anything? Anybody before NFP? What is your situation right now? Just let me know that. Hey Ivan, I'm fine. Okay, for no trades yet. Thanks. Okay, it's cool. I'm down to trades. Both trades worked out, but my stop loss was too tight. That means shit happened. Shit happens, man. No need to worry about that. Shit happens. It's the it's simply the part of the game. From here to until this area, it's how many handle? It's near about 100 handle. This is a 100 handle run. Here you can see this is the micro contract. So one handle is gonna be $2 only. Okay, 937 candle fair value gap. So from this fair value gap, okay, you did a good job, man. That was a very nice trade, by the way. I traded in the NFP. So you got that fall. If you got that fall, congratulations, Gaming Imam. I did short. Okay. First present fair value gap traded got $1,000. Congratulations, DB. So for this month, 3 days didn't work. 2 days worked perfectly. So 4 days didn't work, I guess, or I'll count that again. But 3 to 4 something it didn't work, and 2 days just worked this week. I mean this month. I'll keep counting how far I can go to get the precision. How many times should I believe that first presented gap? So I'll keep counting them. Hey brother, I made about $500 in my funded account, but I also blew up to man. If you blow the eval, congratulations. Blowing eval is actually the cost of your of your earning. You have to give some cost. So blowing eval is kind of giving that cost, but be consistent with your funded account. Don't blow that. Also, how it react with this fair value gap, whatever fair value gap market is going to make. I would love to how to react this gap. I'm not looking for entries. I want to see how it market react from that gap. So after that big fall, this is the first fair value gap market has made. Would love to observe this gap at the same time how it will trade this gap. That is also important to observe here. I'm not looking for buy, I'm not looking for sell. If you find any entries, please go for that. Okay, it was perfect 22 IT model. That's cool, man. Hey Hassan, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, brother. How are you? I'm fine, man. Thanks for asking, by the way. Thanks for the lab, Tazu. Second stage? What do you mean by second stage? I didn't understand. I took the first presented fair value gap. Perfect. Then you have already got your profit. 25 handle profit was in your pocket, I believe. Hey Rizwan, thanks for that, man. Yeah, weekly analysis, please do that. Without weekly analysis, you are like trading blindly. You have to have an idea what is happening from a very high time frame. Now, I'm not interested to take the buy from this fair value gap. Even I'm not interested to take the sell from that fair value gap. I'm just observing the market. Is it really would love to go higher, or does it finish its higher run? I mean, sorry, lower run. It will keep continue to fall. I need to confirm that first. Okay, gaming Imon, congratulations, brother. I sell after the 9:30 from 50-minute fair value gap and 1 minute 22 IT model T2. That was cool. Yeah, I saw that after 9:30 there was two opportunities today to go for the short. As I told, if you have watched our weekly analysis, you know that market is going to take that social liquidity buy today. So you have to be very bearish until it's not taken. At least until it's not taken. You should have been very bearish. So obviously we'll look for selling opportunity after NFP. This is whole, consolidation or choppiness. Then market do all of these things. Then finally, either way, this is the area where we don't trade actually, right? We don't trade over here. So this is our first opportunity to go for the trade, which is the 931 candle, or yeah, I guess 930 candle. Market has taken buy side liquidity. Market structure shift here. Fair value gap. Trade that fair value gap. Fall. Now it can be little risky to you, no worries. Another market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap, boom. Finally, this one, which is absolutely little risky because we really don't know it will trade the 50% of that gap, or is it going to completely fill this gap, which I'm observing over here right now. Does it want to fully close that gap, then wanna fall, or does it would love to fall from that constant crossman trading, then it would love to start to fall again, or does it would love to go through this fair value gap and then trade some unfinished business, or maybe this order block until the consecutive order block? Does it want to come until the consecutive order block or not? The three type of things can happen. I need to wait. I got 44 handle run the NFP breaker block. Okay, I read your comment actually. Just picked up 100 points on NQ. Congratulations, brother. Took that sell from that second entry. Yeah, second entry was like more confident entry or something like that. Not looking for buy or sell, nothing. Just waiting to see if market can make another structure for me so that I can trade. Or does it really would love to keep going higher and take the buy side liquid or something? This fair value gap is kind of called fast fair value gap. It can be 100% fill before falling. This fair value gap almost every time I want to see it will be 100% filled, and then market will fall for if it would love to fall for this sell side liquidity, it will be 100% filled, then it will start to fall again because it will block all of this unfinished business. It will blocked by that fair value gap 100% traded. So let's see if it can fall, or does it want to keep going higher. Need new lower low or higher low. Something like that. Structure. I need a structure. Without a structure, I really don't know which way market will go now, because this was the liquidity market was like holding this liquidity for so long now. So this liquidity should be taken. This one. And the next liquidities I actually mark like just a low, something like that. This is very clean liquidity which has been taken over here around this area. Okay, if you go in hourly chart, all you can see that it has taken all of this liquidity has been taken by that week. Now market is going higher again. Why? Maybe to trade this hourly fair value gap, just to trade that hourly fair value gap. So let me mark this hourly fair value gap and let me keep it as an hourly fair value gap. Yeah, maybe it will go for that hourly fair value gap, I don't know. This two candle is also the consecutive order block. That was also an unfinished business. So far, market has traded the low of that consecutive order block, which is the highest up close body close candle, traded this fair value gap. So far it has traded this consecutive order block. Let's see if it can hold and send it lower again, or is it going to breach them, keep going higher. If you ask me, I can't see any trade over here. I'm not interested to take the buy or sell right now. I will wait for another structure, another kind of liquidity I'll see, then some kind of liquidity taken, market structure shift or breaker block inversion gap, some kind of this, because I don't have any liquidity anymore. The liquidity is gone from the market. I'm cool, Said. How are you? This is too far, brother. It's too far. That is our hourly gap. Okay, so that thing I already told you. Does it would love to go for that hourly last fair value gap to trade, or does it would love to fall again one more time? I don't know. So I will wait for the structure here. Then if I find any opportunity to take entry, then I'll go for that. Here market just keep falling, then just keep bouncing. So no way to enter here to take the buy. Just keep falling, 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 and then it started to bounce. It has 100% filled that gap. Would love to see if it can respect this 50-minute gap and started to fall again. Structure means it has to do something, like it has to show me something that will tell me that I can enter over there. For example, maybe it will take some liquidity, then market structure shift or 22 YT model for buy, or maybe for selling, it will come to this 50-minute gap. Now maybe it will form a setup over here, maybe inversion gap or breaker block or anything. Something that will tell me, okay, now you can go for sell or you can go for buy. Yeah, stocks is marked over the 50-minute bearish gap. So I'm observing this gap as well. Can it reverse from that 50-minute bearish gap and fall for the sell side liquidity again, which is here? Fall for that sell side liquidity again or not? That is my interest. I really don't want to see it will keep going higher. From daily chart, as you can see here, it has taken that low by a shallow run. So for the liquidity is below that low. Still the liquidity is over there. So I don't want to see that the body is going to close one tick above that low. Okay, even if it would love to close above the low, it should fall little more to make another liquidity before closing below that low. So it will come very near to that extreme low here. There is some kind of extreme low, and then maybe it will retrace little bit, then it will fall. I really don't want to see that it will go for the buy side liquidity, then it will fall. Should leave some buy side liquidity over there from very lower time frame. So where it has reached to this 50-minute gap here, that is the 50-minute gap. You can say entry gap if you want, because there is two gap. There is the last gap, this is the entry gap. It's two gap in that specific leg. Okay, this is interesting. In NQ, market has traded this gap, but for MNQ, market didn't trade that gap yet. Let's see if it. Okay, now it has traded that gap. Perfect. I want to see if it would love to keep going higher, or does it want to react from this 50-minute gap and start it falling? Not interested to see fast entry opportunity, not interested to take that entry even if it can provide some kind of selling opportunity. First entry, I'll let it go. Keep going higher, I'll let this go as well, because if I take the entry over here, that's gonna chasing the price. Not interested to chase the price right now.
Because it's white.
Yes, brother. I try to read the Quran, but it's been like some months, 6 to 7 months maybe, or maybe more than 6 to 7 months. I don't read the Quran, but I know how to read the Quran, though I don't understand the meaning. But I know how to read the Quran, Holy Quran. I was a regular Quran reader once. Watching how it is going to react with this gap. It has taken all of this buy side liquidity has been taken over here. So far it is respecting the 50% of this bearish gap, and this is the 15-minute bearish gap as well. So we'll see how it is going to react around this area. If it keep going higher, I have no way to chase that run. For example, when it was falling here, as I didn't have any chance to take that sell, same thing here. It just fall and bouncing from there, and it is keep going higher. Just not interested to take entry over there. We'll wait to make some setup for me first, then I'll go for that. For the first fall, I'm not interested to take the sell. Why is that? Because it can be a trap. That means market will take some liquidity, then it will start to go higher again. So for the first fall, I'm not interested to look for any kind of sell. If it can make next fall or next structure after the first fall, I'll try to catch that sell. Now I'll go for one micro contract. So even if I take like 50 handle stop loss, it's gonna be $100 maximum loss, as the market is highly volatile. So for this 50-minute bearish fair value gap is holding the price from 50 meter. This is the 50-minute bearish gap, entry gap, last gap. So far it is holding the price, and after this candle, that is gonna be the last candle. If that candle close below this fair value gap, then we can say that this 50-minute fair value gap is holding the price, but not seeing or looking for seller. I'm not looking for any kind of sell. I would love to see if it would love to fall, or it would love to go higher. So if there is any structure, some kind of structure, then I'll go for that. If there is no structure, I will just let this go. Here one candle is near about 30 handle. So let's see how this candle is going to close, because after this candle close, we will see that how the 50-minute fair value gap supporting the price. Does it holding the price, or market really extremely bullish? We'll get that confirmation after this candle close. Well, perfect reaction, exactly close to the low of this 50-minute bearish gap. This is the low. So this candle has exactly close just below that 50-minute gap, the low of that 50-minute gap. So can it keep falling? Not interested to look for sell again. I need the confirmation first that it really would love to fall. For taking buy, I will wait for the second opportunity. For example, here First entry opportunity, second entry opportunity. So even if I would love to look for some kind of buy, I'll wait for this type of second opportunity. Market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap, boom. Again, market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap, boom. So I will wait for this type of scenario here if I would love to look for a buy. This is the candle for 30 handle. This one candle is 30 handles. Oh my goodness. Hugely volatile. High volatility. So far market didn't take any liquidity. It just retraced to this fair value gap. Again trying to go higher. Maybe it will keep going higher. Here, this is an entry opportunity, but too risky to take the entry from this gap. Entry gap, last gap. Market structure shift, fair value gap. Entry from there, boom. But as there is no liquidity taken over there, no liquidity taken, not interested to take the buy. $48 handle move. This one candle is $48 handle. Observing this highest up close body close candle, which is the most sensitive order block. So observing this order block now, can it hold the price, send it lower, or does it going to break this one and keep going higher? Why I'm not in this trade? If I saw some kind of liquidity over here, any kind of liquidity, then I would try to look for and buy from this gap. As it didn't take any liquidity, I'll let this go. It will keep going higher, I'll let this go. Here is the relative equal highs, 50% of that gap. Then I have some buy side liquidity over there. You can, I mean, it can reach for that. Not interested to take the sell or buy, as market didn't do the liquidity pull over there. What is this, Tamimi? Okay, Tradify has 30% discount straight to SIM funded, 50% discount advanced and growth. You have to use the link and the code is JAN. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, as my moderator is telling me, I should ask you, please push the like button, make it 100 likes, please. I will start the giveaway when I'll get 150 like. Now you can say 130 people are watching. How can you will get 150 like? All of you push the like button, then you will see that it's 150 like already. So I want to see that this market can keep falling because it has traded that order block here, the highest up close body close candle, which has traded this parallel gap. It was an unfinished business. So far it has finished the business. Now can it keep falling, or does it love to go through this order block and keep going higher? Anyone would love to take the buy from there, please go for that. The way it react from there, it can react from there as well, but I'm not feeling good to take the buy because market didn't take any kind of liquidity over here. So I will wait until the liquidity is not taken or some kind of liquidity is not taken over there. I will keep waiting. Even from 15-minute chart, if you look over here, this is to up close body close candle, which was the up close body close candle consecutive order block. Market came until this order block open here. It has 15-minute order block has been traded. Now market can start to fall again for the next sell side liquidity level. I just marked it in NQ chart. It's not over here. High, low, higher, high. So this is the lowest down close body close candle, which is also the breaker block. I'm going to remove this one. This is the breaker block. So if this market close below this breaker block, I'll take a sell here. Stop loss is going to be there, here, 34 handle stop loss, and I'll target this gap over here. That gap I'll target. If it can close below this breaker block, my entry will be 1 micro contract. So 34 handle loss, it's gonna be like $68 loss. Because this is highly volatile, I just can't put my stop loss here around this area. I can't do it. So my stop loss will be here. First it has to close below this breaker block, then it has to tap over here. So when it will close here, I'll put my limit order from the breaker block. If it close and if it doesn't close, I'm okay. I'm not interested to take that entry. What else can happen? It will keep falling without me. It is also possible. So if, without taking me, if it come to this fair value cap over here, I'll just cancel my limit order. That's all. Let's put it over there. Let's see if it can take us or not. If it doesn't take me, I'm just unlucky. I have to wait again for another entry opportunity. Before taking me, if it reaches to this gap, I'll just remove my limit order. Okay, this is the gap I'm interested to see here. I wish that it will reach at least until this breaker block before, I mean, before going or falling, whatever it will do. But before whatever it will do, it will reach for this breaker block first. Then I would love to look for this. Okay, I'm now in market. Let's see if it can fall for that gap now. You can see how much it has fallen because you don't need to hold the trade until 68 handle. Try to close your trade around 20, 25, 30 handle or something like that. As I took just one micro contract, I really don't care about that $72 or something like that loss. If anyone took that entry, if anyone has taken that entry, make sure that you have a partial over here, at least over there the partial. If you take one contract entry, then at least make sure your stop loss is at the break even. Below that low, that should be partial, and it's not a small. So far, it is like 27, 24, 25 handle. So make sure that you know your risk and then you are trading. Okay. As I took a very small entry, I will go for that extreme target, which is my extreme target, this last parallel gap. If it was like 5 micro contract, maybe I would close my trade over there, at least when it will come here. There would be my trading close. Okay, now my stop loss is gonna be to the break even here. Let's see if it can provide me the full, full profit, or it reversed now and stopped me out. But remember, I'm not closing it even after coming until this area. It's because I just in one micro contract. I just minimized my loss and I'll see if it can keep falling and hit the area I'm expecting. This is the breaker block, order block. I really don't want to see that it will break the 50% of that breaker block, order block. And instead of that, it will respect the breaker block, order block mean threshold, which is here, the 50%. And then it will fall again. I'll see that, but we'll see if the 50% is broken, then it can happen that it will trade that breaker block one more time, or maybe it will go higher, or all of this can happen. So this candle, I want to see it will close at least below this red line. If it failed to close below this red line, maybe I'll either trail my stop loss, I'll put something very tight. If I get any chance, I'll trail my stop loss. I want to see a black candle now. That will tell me the heaviness, because now it is a bullish market. Now it is a bullish market. It can be the liquidity taken. Market has taken the liquidity. It will start to go higher now. So I don't want to see that. It has traded the breaker block mean threshold, breaker block, order block mean threshold. Now it should be a black candle which is going to close at least below that low. Okay. After this candle close, I'll trail my stop loss to the mean threshold of that order block. Wherever that candle will close, I don't care. I don't know why it is not okay. Here, one tick above. So where it has provided you 53 handle, make sure that you understand the risk. Okay. Let me put it there. Would love to cover the 50% of that week. That means even if this candle will go a little higher, it will trade the 50% of that week. Then it will fall for this sell side liquidity. So just would love to cover that week 50%. Let's see if it can give me the perfect exit, or does it going to stop me out before that. Just covered the 50% of that week. So this is the week 50%. Would love to see this week 50% will hold the price and it lower. Either way, that is the propulsion block, breaker block, order block, propulsion block. So it can maybe reach until the open of that candle as well. But either way, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, if you ask me, I want to see the body close below this line, which has already done. So let's see if it can keep falling now. Week 50% is still holding the price. I want to say body close below that low now. Trade at the open of the propulsion block. Need a body close below this low. Now just going to believe the 50% of that week which is holding the price. So my stop loss has just covered the 50%. I don't want to see this market will come back again to this 50% and then trade this parallel gap. I don't want to see that. I want to see it will fall first, then if it would love to go higher and trade that 50% again, it can do that, but it should fall to this parallel gap first. Okay. 6 to 8 handle. Done. Again, my trailing stop loss is too fast, so please nobody please follow that because it's really too fast. You guys can get confused by trailing that stop loss. Now it will keep falling. I don't care. Okay, I really don't care about that. Maybe it will keep falling, and remember that sell side liquidity. It will go for that sell side liquidity now. I don't care about that. That was my logical level to this gap high, and it was enough for me. 68 handle is more than enough, I guess. Okay, it's enough for me. I'm okay with that. Just done. Thank you guys for writing that boom. Now please push the like button, and then we will start the giveaway. 83 likes. Please push some more likes. Make it 150. So still 131 people are watching. Push the like button, guys. Around 150, we will start our giveaway. Okay. I really would love to see it will keep falling and it will go for that next sell side liquidity. I really don't remember where is it, but I'm not going to remove going from this chart because I would love to look for another entry opportunity. The things I explained over there, keep focusing them and mark them tick by tick. Why that is the perfect breaker block. Why I believe that breaker block. Whoever with me and knows how to trade this market, all of you know why this is the breaker block and kind of a perfect breaker block. Okay. If anybody has any kind of confusion, let me show you why it is. Market structure shift, fair value gap. This is the first time market has made the fair value gap. Okay, so let me actually show you everything. Why I push the button from this breaker block. This market, I believe that it will keep falling for the next sell side liquidity. That is why I was not interested to look for any kind of buying opportunity. Let me show you how this is gonna be our perfect breaker block, because this is kind of a it's been a long, okay, I really didn't see this type of perfect breaker block. When I will mark, you will observe step by step. Okay, first market structure shift here. This is the market structure. By the way, guys, if you have any question, I'll just do it, then I'll reply you. Market structure shift. This is the fair value gap from there after 9:30. Okay, so this is the 9:30 candle. Market has traded that fair value gap. This two candle is the consecutive order block, because this is the candle which has closed. Okay, actually this is the order block. That highest up close body close is the order block, because as you can see here, if I marked it to my right, this candle has closed below that candle. So in my opinion, this is the order block, but you can look for this consecutive order block as well. Market came back again to trade this consecutive order block, or the highest one is the most sensitive, but both of them are here worked as an order block. By the way, it came to this order block, trade that order block. After trading this order block, let me mark it from there, then it will be easier to see and to understand. Just consecutive order block. After trading the order block, what do you expect to see? Anybody? I need this answer actually, then I will mark the second level. After trading this, market may take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap, order block, trade that order block. After trading the order block, what should you expect, brother? No, it's not the propulsion block, brother. Obviously, this is the propulsion block, but you don't need to think about the propulsion block. No. Propulsion block is something that is kind of, I mean, uh, like what to say? I mean, sometimes propulsion block happens. As you can see here, market came back again to trade this propulsion block. So it was an unfinished, so market actually came here later. It doesn't need to immediately trade that propulsion block. If it trade that, it's cool. If it doesn't trade that, it is perfect. After trading the order block, always expect an unfilled fair value gap. Always. It is always, okay? You will look for some kind of unfilled fair value gap. That should be the unfilled fair value gap. This is the if your bias is bearish and if you're thinking that this market will go, there is another opportunity to look for sell when this unfilled gap is filled 100% by wick or by body. I prefer body, but sometimes wick also do the job, but I prefer body. Market has perfectly closed that unfilled fair value gap. What should you look for? High, low, higher high. Lowest down close body close candle is your breaker block. mark that on, extend it to your right. But here, this is actually the breaker block is these two consecutive, sorry, these two consecutive guys, they are the breaker block, both of them. Most sensitive on this one, but both of them are breaker block. That's why my stop loss was one tick above that breaker block, just one tick above that breaker block. Let me mark it from here, the most sensitive one. Market came back, trade that breaker block, falling. What is the next logical level market can fall? Relatively equal lows or the last fair value gap. In that specific leg, this is the last fair value gap. So far I can see, if I'm not wrong. So until this area, it's logical. Market trade that breaker block. After trading the breaker block, what do you see here? Breaker block, order block. Trade that breaker block, order block, propulsion block. Trade that propulsion block. I was looking for that weak 50%. That was the like immediate rebalance type weak. Okay, so if I'm expecting that this market will keep falling, it should respect that weak 50%. Sometimes I get stopped out because market is little overzealous. Trade until the min threshold of that propulsion block. I'll get stopped out with some profit, and I think it's okay. Trade that propulsion block. Trade until this area. Now it will keep falling. I expect that it will keep falling. Now, brother, can I take an entry right now? No, you can't take an entry right now. You have to wait for another opportunity. So it's now a falling knife. It has already fallen from all of this area. It has fallen until this area. So you can't look for a sell right now, or you can't look for a buy right now. You have to wait for another this type of a structure. It has to make some kind of structure. For buying, I told that I'm not going to believe the first setup. So I will wait for the next setup to take the buy. Something I showed you here. First setup, second setup. I would love to take the buy from there, not from there. Sorry, sell from there, not from there. Same thing here. I'm not interested to take the buy from there. If it would love to keep going higher, it will make another setup. I'll take the buy from there. For example, for this sell, you didn't take, you won't get the opportunity to take the sell here, because after the market structure shift, market will never provide you the entry opportunity. This is the last parallel gap, this is the entry parallel gap. It will never, I mean, sometimes it provides, but most of the time it doesn't provide you. You will see that market is making the liquidity and it's falling. For a fair value gap, it is making the fair value gap and it is falling. So most of the time you will miss the entry over here because it is not interested to trade those premium area. It should be in discount. It should not trade that premium area. Now I will wait for another opportunity to see if it can provide me another entry opportunity or not. Yeah, unfilled fair value gap, absolutely. So I will wait for another opportunity if I get, okay. Again, I'm taking that one micro contract. So far you have seen that like $130 plus, something like that, because just one micro contract. It is highly volatile. I just can't simply take the buy, sell here and put the stop loss over there. I can't do that. I have to put it over there, which is gonna be 34 handle. So for 34, one micro contract is enough, I believe, for this huge volatility. Brother, this is also the market structure shift. There is nothing wrong. Yeah, this is also the market structure shift. Absolutely. But I would love to see here as a breaker block. I'm not interested for the, as well as you can see this inverse gap here. What do I have here? I have this breaker block. I have the 22 YT model. I have the inverse gap. See this gap? Market tap to this gap, keep going higher. So if I ignore the breaker block, another entry opportunity for you from the inverse gap. What did I tell you about the inverse gap? I have to have the fair value gap, highest bullish fair value gap to be traded, and market has to take some liquidity. It has taken some liquidity. All of this liquidity has been taken. Market closed below this inverse gap here by that specific candle. Come back again. Most of the time market doesn't trade above the inverse gap concurrent crossment, which was perfect here. Trade breaker block and inverse gap, both of them fall, and I believe that it will keep falling. We'll see. Wow, 9,589 subscriber. I just need 11 more subscriber to 9,600 subscriber. Okay, so far I got 105 like, still 20 people are watching who didn't provide the likes. Guys, please push the like button so that we can start the giveaway, which is one tick trader 100k funded account. No challenge, it's a funded account. I'll choose them from our Discord group. So if you are not with us in our Discord, just go to our comment area. In comment area, you will see the Discord link over here. That is the Discord link. Click on the Discord link, join our free Discord. Everything is free over here. Guys, if I need to trade now, that is gonna be more boring because it's already 11:10 and within 11:30 it has to make the liquidity. I mean, it has to make the another structure to provide another buying opportunity or selling opportunity. So right now I'm really not interested to see something like entry opportunity. I want to see it will keep falling and take the liquidity first. Just keep falling like that way. Don't want to see that market will waste some time over there and then fall and or it will go higher. I don't want to see that. I want to see the speed now. It will keep falling so that I can frame and buy setup around the PM session. Yeah, the giveaway is gonna be from Discord, but I will do the giveaway in live so that you can see, you'll be able to see that how we are doing the draw or everything. Everything should be fair, right? It's gonna be in Discord. By the way, guys, thank you so much for our Discord family. We have, where is the Discord? There is the Discord. 891 people. Thank you so much. So 109 more people needed to make it 1000 member in our Discord. Thank you so much to all of you guys. By the way, if you are with us in our Discord already, and here, if you see giveaway, make sure that it's showing on your chart because it will be needed to join the giveaway. So it should be, I mean, in your Discord app or browser, whatever you are using. If you don't find it here, then go to this area, which is the browse channel. Go over there and under the creator profile, what is that? Creator. Mm, yeah, creator updates. Yep. Under this creator updates, you will see the giveaway here. Make sure that there is a tick or view or something like that. It should be tick here. Yeah, it should be a tick. So make sure that you come to the browse channel here, browse channel, and from browse channel under the creator updates, you will see the giveaway. Make sure that it's ticked over there here, so that it will show on your chart over there. Maybe why it's not showing. I don't know, maybe why it's not. I mean, just make sure that it's over there. You are able to see it's here. If you still have some problem, ask Tamimi. Thank you, by the way, Tamimi, for sharing the link, man. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So next few giveaway we will do in Discord. So whoever will be our Discord member, they are going to be the winner or something like that. And after that, I mean after few, then I'll come back again here in YouTube. I'll choose the winner from the point. That means the people actually comment more or give the likes. They get the point. I can see them through my Streamlabs. I'll show you that tomorrow maybe or another day. So the guys will be in point who will be at first. I'll actually choose from the first 10 or first 20. Then out of those 20 people, I'll do the giveaway. So that every day I don't need to ask for the likes. If you don't push the like button, you are not going to get the point. That's all, brother. And if it is 150 likes, let me know. Not interested to frame any setup over there, okay? This type of price action, I feel very bored here. It's not run or something. I love to catch something from there or from here if it provide me something. So we'll see if it can provide me another opportunity. I'll go for that before 11:30. So if it keep going higher, I will have nothing to do, just nothing to do. But it has provided a selling opportunity. All of these things are perfectly. I didn't mark them, but I was observing them. So here, this is not order block. This is the propulsion block. Either way, this is order block as well. If you see, this is the market structure shift, fair value cap. This is also the order block. Either way, I mean. So, and filled that unfilled fair value cap, made the breaker block, perfect entry, went for that until this area. School. This breaker block, I found this entry after so long, maybe after 2 to 3 months. This is the perfect breaker. Everything was perfect over here. Like yesterday's price action, the entries was so perfect. So it's something like that. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Also yesterday as well. If the volatility is like this, then every day I will come with one micro if and only if I don't blow the Apex account. I can blow it. There is not, I mean, no surety. I'm not still disciplined. No shame to share this with you. Still, I'm not disciplined. I'm struggling to be disciplined. So as you can see, I took one entry. Now I should not take another entry, but I would love to go for one more time. So two entries is the maximum entry. I want to be very consistent, but still now I'm not disciplined. I have to be disciplined. So I'll try to survive in this Apex account, but if I don't survive, maybe I'll blow this account. Whatever happened last night, I showed you in Twitter, and then I know that okay, I have to trade actually not through this trading view. I have to trade other trade flow, and sometimes shit happens. I have already mailed them, by the way, reported them. It didn't happen just one time. It was happening continuously. I was feeling like it's my internet problem, but everything was cool. I mean, this chart was like running everything. If the internet problem, then the chart will stop. So let's see if it can higher, go little higher before falling again. Not interested to think that this market will go higher again. Now I have this buy side liquidity this high and that high. They are the relatively equal highs. To be honest, I don't want to see that it will go for that liquidity. It should keep falling because today is the end of the week and market is already too low. It should keep falling. Most of the people are expecting now it will reverse from that support zone. So if you go to your daily chart, you will see the liquidity has taken, but it's a shallow run so far. Just week went lower, started to go higher. They are seeing this as a support. Yeah, I mean, until now they are seeing this as support. So honestly, their whole thinking will be broken here, and market will keep falling until the next liquidity level. Yeah, stocks, but I really don't want to make that habit. I would love to be, I mean, disciplined again. I mean, I was so disciplined once upon a time. I want to be disciplined again. I don't want to take any help from other eval account or funded account or something. I blow this account, it's okay, perfectly okay, no worries. I will blow this account, but I don't. I want to be disciplined again, like the last time. I need all of your back 5 minutes and what I was talking about. Oh, okay, yeah. If I blow the account, I really don't care, but I want to be disciplined. I need all of your help. Like last day when I was doing bullshit, Guru just reminded me, brother, you have to take. You told that you are going to take inverse gap, breaker block, and 22 IT model. Yeah, I need your help as well. I need all of your help. So if you see I'm doing something bad, I'm trying to frame any trade from inverse gap or some other area, stop me over there, please. I would love to go for breaker block, 22 IT model, and the inverse gap. Only these three. And I have to be disciplined within 1 or 2 months. I mean, within this month, I have to be disciplined so that from February, when there will be a beautiful price action, I'll be able to join that beautiful price action. Now, I'm not interested to look for sell from here. The reason is the way market traded this whole area. Yeah, it seems like that this market is falling and it will keep falling. Okay, for this low or the rejection block, taking entry here is risky. It's highly risky. Now you can say, brother, it's just one contract. What do you care? As I told, I would love to wait for the setup, perfect setup. So far, it's not perfect setup. First reason, it didn't take the liquidity. It has provided the market structure shift. Maybe it will provide the fair value gap. It will trade that fair value gap. It will keep falling. It can happen. I'm just not going to take this entry because market didn't take the liquidity. So when it didn't take the liquidity, even if it make the fair value gap, I'm not going to take that entry. Apex rules are good, but I guess it was my internet problem or something. I don't know. Because after 5100, you don't need to worry about anything else. And if you trade like lower contract, for example, maximum 2 mini contract and minimum 5 mini contract, sorry, micro contract, minimum 5 micro contract, depending on the volatility, obviously. And if your stop loss is not going to be 5 times bigger than your target profit, you are absolutely safe. All other rules are just nothing. The problem is it is very difficult to control myself. Not for over leveraging because there is option. So I'm just now struggling with over leveraging. Over trading, I can fix it. It's not a big deal for me. But over leveraging, I'm struggling with that over leveraging. It's a good buy for me actually. Instead of the sell, it's a good buy for me. So let's see if it can actually make a fair value gap over there. If it can make a fair value gap over here, I'll try to take that buy. Market structure shift here. Not a perfect market structure shift, but still this is a market structure shift. If it can make a fair value gap over there, I'll try to take a buy here. Very small target will be. But if it doesn't make the fair value gap, obviously I'm not going to take. By the way, I have a fair value gap over here. So I'll try to take this entry. 1 micro contract, I'll go. The stop loss is gonna be there. 22 handle. Target is going to be there, 34 handle. From this fair value gap, okay? It should be there. If it doesn't take me, it's okay. I'll just let it go. I actually tapped to this fair value gap with the volume balance. It tapped it. Let's see if it can take me one more time. Say 23 handle stop loss, 32 handle target profit. Okay, guys, I think it's enough. You are also here. Yeah, duration to be 15 minutes. Just make the duration 15 minutes. We can start doing this. So, guys, please come over here to this breakaway gap. And sorry, not the breakaway gap, to this giveaway, this area. And Tamimi, can you please do that things? I mean, start the giveaway things, please. Again, this is also the breaker block, same low, high, lower, low. Obviously, this breaker block can hold the price, send the price higher as well. But I would love to see it will reach at least until this gap, which actually tapped one time. Honestly, if it can take me one more time, just just an opportunity. Target will be that high, which is around this fair value gap. So would love to see can the market go until that area. Before taking me, if it take that high, this high, if it take that high before taking me, I'll close this trade. I mean this limit order, I'll cancel it if it take that on, because I missed the entry here when this candle tapped to this volume balance with this area. That could be my entry, but I placed my limit order little lower. I didn't notice this volume balance first, so maybe I'll miss this trade. But You will understand the logic here. That will be your entry. That specific candle will be your entry. This high is going to be your target. I just target the high, exact high of this fair value gap, because this fair value gap constant crossment has been traded one time. So I want to see that it will reach at least to the top of this gap, then it will keep going higher, and it will come for this unfinished business now, which is unfinished here. It will go for that, we'll see that. Or it would love to fall again, we'll see that. Let's see if it can take me before all of these things. Okay guys, so come to this giveaway area and click on here. Okay, clicked on there, right, Tamimi? Yeah, I guess entry 17. Yeah, we can see how many people actually entered over there. 19 people has entered over here. So you have to, you have already entered this giveaway. Okay, so please click one time just. If you click two times, three times, I don't think so it's gonna work. Click on that area, that things. We'll see how many people join, then we'll start. 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes we are going to close. Okay, so market came back again here. Take me here before reaching to this high. Now my target is that area. Would love to see it will go over there, and then I'll close my trade or something. As my entry is just one micro contract, if I get stopped out here, I'll get 46 dollar loss. And that could be my last entry maybe in this morning session. Just covered the low of that consecutive breaker block. All of these three candle is the consecutive breaker block. Just cover one tick or two tick, maybe one handle below that breaker block. So if it would love to trade, maybe it can trade until the low of this breaker block, little mohawk before going higher. That is my expectation. Got stopped out, trading is done. Didn't work. That was a cool entry for me, thinking that at least to that high. Didn't work. Just not going to pull the bottom. Love to see, does it, would it be the better to put the stop loss below that low? Okay, so guys, if you didn't find this giveaway area, come here to this browse channels, come here. After coming here, come to this, where is that, yeah, creator updates. Inside this creator updates, you will see here is the giveaway. So I think you have to put a tick there, or whatever it is, just make sure that you did it, so it will appear over there, okay, around here. Or maybe inside the creator, yeah, inside this creator updates, inside this creator updates it will come over there maybe, or here, any of this area you will find it, either inside this creator update. Check. Yeah, inside this creator update, if you put the tick over there, you'll see it will be inside this creator update. There is a tick over here, it can be like this. Make sure that you put it over there, here, that one. You click over there, so it will be there, giveaway. Come to this giveaway and then click over here one time. If you click two times, it will show you a message that you have already joined, so you can't join again, and only you will be able to, it appears, but no permission to view the message. Okay, you don't need permission, you just have to press the confetti button, guys. Yeah, okay, so it's just, thank you brother for confirming. I don't think so you need some kind of permission. You have to just click on that area, nothing else. Tamimi, can you please take a look what they're talking about? It didn't work, and maybe it will keep falling. Tamimi, can you please take a look, brother? I don't know what is happening. Okay, it's not showing over there. Can you please check, Tamimi? Okay, guys, don't worry. Think we'll check it. I can see 26 people can see it. Or if it is a problem, then we can choose the winner from here, from YouTube as well. Stopped me out, then going higher. Just unlucky. Market just took one more time liquidity, then maybe it will go higher. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not taking this sell. I'm just saying that if I look for this sell, which is also the liquidity taken here, all of this liquidity has been taken. Market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction. Does it going to work or not? It seems like that it is going to work, by the way. But not taking this entry because it's purely consolidation and it is after 11:30. So after 11:30, I'm not going to push my button anymore. One profit for 68 handle, one loss for 23 handle. Done. Just not going to take this sell because it's a selling opportunity as well as our bias is bearish. But not, as it is after 11:30, not going to push the button. Complete a few more steps before you can talk. I can see the content. I just can't click it. Can you share the entry message on main room? Mm, now can you do it, brother? And click over there and let me know. Now can you do it or not? If you go to the main room, I have just paste the link. You can check now. You can do it or not. Order block. If it can work as an order block, keep falling or not. I'm not interested to push this sell button as it is after 11:30. So it will go higher or it will fall. I don't know. This was a very clean high to me, and I was thinking that maybe it will be taken. As I was feeling like market will go higher, I'm not interested to take this sell. If you ask me, I would keep looking for a buying opportunity. I wouldn't go for this sell, but it can work perfectly. We'll see. At least until this rejection block. They told me you don't allow. Okay, where is Tamimi? Yes, it's working now. Okay, guys, I think you should try one or two times maybe. Please try one or two times. Okay, I can see if some more people can join now. But yeah, if it doesn't work over there, I will just try to do it from here in this area. Okay, now I guess now it is working. Is it working now, guys? I mean, some of you are telling that it's not working. Okay, for new joiners, they need to very. Okay, Tamimi, can you please make some more time limit? I mean, so that people can verify them first. Just make it for a little more time. Make it until 11:45 so that people can verify. And the selling opportunity from there, stop loss should be there. 26 handle. Target is same area, 42 handle. Yeah, I'll cancel this one and wait for some time. Okay, okay. I'm not going to take this entry, okay, but this two entry can possible. This two is possible entry. One is 29 handle stop loss, another one is like 26 handle stop loss. Target this rejection block. That is the target. Just not going to take this because it is after 11:30. First entry opportunity was from this fair value gap. Second entry opportunity from this order block. As it is after 11:30, just not going to push the button. That's all. Okay, I think Tamim is going to close that one and going to start another one. Yeah, he's going to start another one, I guess. Just a second, guys. Just a second. This is the first time we are doing this. Okay, so there can be some complication, but I believe that we'll overcome that. In the meantime, make sure that if you are a new joiner, you have already verified your account. Okay, so make sure that you have verified your account. Second entry was 43 handle, first entry was 58 handle. So let's see if it can reach until this area or not. Did I mark the order block? Just make sure that you have marked it. This one has provided 2930 handle and this one has provided 47 handle. I think this should be a partial here. That should be a partial because it is trading the rejection block from 15-minute chart. So that is a good area to take a partial here, and then the rest hold until this rejection block from 1-minute chart. But this is a good area to take a partial as it is trading the rejection block. Either way, I think it will hit the target. On tick, 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 on tick. Boom. Let me check what he told. Lean on more time people to people. Okay. Okay, I'll cancel this one and wait for some time. Okay. Christmas with thumbs up and make sure that you can participate later in the giveaway. What did you show? Okay, yeah. Now he told that react to this message with thumbs up just to make sure you can participate later in the giveaway. Yeah, guys, try to click on the like so that you can understand that later you will be able to join to the giveaway. Okay. Yeah, I can join. Anybody has any problem to click that like? Just push the like, okay, or anything, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that you can join. Until this rejection block, perfect, fall. If you take this entry, order block entry, 26 handle stop loss, target is 43 handle. If you are able to take that entry from this area, which I really don't feel good, but from order block, it's cool. From the order block, it's a good entry. But from this entry, which is 58 handle, but stop loss should be like 29 handle. I prefer to take entry from this gap. See this gap, I wanna take an entry from this gap, something like that. As it is after 11:30, I'm not just pushing the bottom. From there, stop loss is above 1 tick here. Remember, it is 11:30. After 11:30, I'm not taking this entry. But if it was before 11:30, I would prefer to go for the trade from this gap instead of that gap. It is after 11:30, no trade I'm going to take. I'm just waiting to see you guys can join here or not. I mean, you can click on the this area or not. Okay, make sure that you can join. Wow, what a reaction from that rejection block going high. If you want to trade here, make sure that you understand the risk. It is the lunch hour. Around the lunch hour, the trading is highly risky. Okay, that could be a still now I didn't. Still now I didn't. Okay, I got stopped out now. I could get stopped out over here. After 11:30, I'm not interested to take any kind of entry. No entry is valid for me. Now this buy side liquidity is clear. This is that breaker block again. Tap to this breaker block. That buy side liquidity is clean. There. So maybe I took the loss here. You'll have to go for another buy there. It is consolidating, and why I was not looking for sell, because market didn't take the liquidity. Now market is going for that liquidity. I would love to take this entry from here. I would go for that trade, but if and only if it was inside the session from breaker block top to until this relatively equal highs. This high and those highs, they are the relatively equal highs. If it doesn't take me the entry, that is different matter, and it's okay as well. I'm pretty much confident that this one will work, but not going to push the button. Wanna be disciplined little bit. Trying. I'm trying to be disciplined again. Okay, Tamimi, I think people can join now. Nobody's complaining, so you can start the giveaway, brother. Tamimi, if you are here, please start the giveaway, because I can see that like 63 people reacted. So at least 63 people has no problem and nobody is complaining anymore. So we think we can start the giveaway right now. I'm really so confident this entry. I mean, I believe that this one will work. Maybe close up approximately entry here to this candle low. That is like, as it didn't came here, I will try to take the entry when this candle went little lower. So from that area, we didn't wait for this breaker block exactly. Instead, I will try to take the entry when it went little lower, and then would love to, because of the time, and would love to see that if it can take this buy side liquidity, maybe one tick above that buy side liquidity. Close approximately entry, not exactly to that breaker block, from the little lower run from there to until this area. Stop loss maybe here now, because of just below this breaker block, as the breaker block didn't tap over there. So we'll have to put the stop loss little higher here entry. Stop loss just cover the breakaway gap top. So in this area, if I trade, I'll go for this buy first. I got stopped out. Okay, no problem. Then I'll try to look for a sell from order block. After taking this order block entry closed, try to take this entry, try to close it around this buy side liquidity. One loss, two win. Sorry, one win, two win. Perfect. Okay, now guys, please push the this one now, because it has now started. Just click on this flower or whatever it is. Just click on this flower. You don't need to do anything else. Just click on that flower. That's all. Then you will be entered here. As you can see, entries are 43 people so far. So please, everyone, 114 people are watching. Push the like button. Enter to our giveaway. It's an 100k core project X direct account. I wish that you will be able to make some profit over there. So I didn't get the boom yet. Let's see if it can provide me the boom. If it reverses from there, I'll be feel bad. So stop loss will be to the break even, maybe here around this break even, as the market came very near to this liquidity. Would love to put my stop loss to the break even, okay? Exactly to that break even. There you go, another boom. Now, if you say that, brother, you are afraid, that's why you didn't push, you know that I don't feel give a shit about about those, because just one micro contract I could go for everything. But as I told, I want to be disciplined, so after 11:30 I didn't push the button. If I would go for the trade first on, this is gonna be the losing trade, winning trade, winning trade. Perfect. Two winning trade. One is 41 handle, one is 43 handle, and another one is 23 handle loss. More than enough for being profitable in this area. Now it has taken some liquidity. Would love to see if it can, would love to fall for this sell side liquidity now. There is now sell side liquidity. Can it fall for this sell side liquidity now? That is my intention to see right now. It came back again until the order block, which is the lowest down close body close candle. If you go to 1 minute chart, maybe you will find some kind of fair value gap that has been traded. This candle has been traded that, which is the order block. Come back again, finish that unfinished business, then go higher again, closed, took all of this liquidity, trade that fair value gap high or to the top of this fair value gap, which I was expecting from there, which happened here. After trading this, I want to see it will fall again for this sell side liquidity. There. This is now my sell side liquidity. I don't want to see the rejection block rejection. So it has been rejected from there. I don't want to see that rejection anymore. I want to look for an entry here. As you can see here, this highest up close body close candle, which is the order block here, that one. You can see here that one. Extend a line on your right after taking this liquidity, another sell over there. There, stop loss is just going to cover this order block, one tick above that order block, maybe one tick here. Target this last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. It will depend on the size or how many handle I'm going to take the risk. 23 handle. If I target 25 handle, it's too small. So what I'll do, I'll target here the last fair value gap, not this liquidity, just this last fair value gap. Would love to see that can this market reach until this last fair value. Why is that? Here is some unfinished business as well, which is the breaker block, low, high, lower low, high stop close body close candle is the breaker block. Market didn't trade over there. Remember, we took that on close approximately entry, so it can come back again to trade this breaker block before going higher. So if it would love to go higher, it will tap to this, either this entry gap or this last gap. As the entry gap is very near, you can see if I take the entry over here, target is entry gap, same like 23 handle stop loss, 25 handle profit. So love to try to catch the run until this area. When it came to this entry gap, we'll put my stop loss to the break even. My stop loss is at the break even now. So if I get stopped out to the break even, I'm cool. Otherwise, if it reach until this last gap, I'll be very happy, because it can be the reaction from this breaker block. See, it tapped to this breaker block. Now it will go higher again to take that obvious liquidity. This high has been taken over here by a shallow run. So my stop loss is now in the break even. As I'm not able to close my trade over here, so I would love to hold it until this area after putting my stop loss to the break even. Get a stop out to the break even, I'm happy with that as well. But if you ask me, I don't want to see that market will close above the 50% of this fair value gap. So recently market has made a fair value gap here. Okay, what is that? Do you find something very similar like yesterday? Order block, try to take the entry from order block. If I fail, then I'll observe this fair value gap. Let me actually remove this gap. I'll observe this gap, how market is going to close or react with this gap. If it work with the lower portion of this gap, another market structure shift, fair value gap, I'll try to take that entry from this fair value gap until the sell side liquidity. Okay, so this is how we are going to supervise the fair value gap and the entry opportunity. If I don't find the entry over here, then you have to wait for that. Today it has provided the entry opportunity from the order block. I would love to go from the order block. If it doesn't trade until the order block, then I will wait for this fair value gap create. Then I will wait how the market is going to react from this fair value gap, and then another market structure shift, fair value gap. I'll try to take that entry from this fair value gap to until the sell side liquidity. That's all. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you one more time. Last time, sorry, not here. There. If you come here to this browse channel, okay, first you have to come to our Discord group T2SMC Trader, then come here to this browse channel. Either write it down here, give away. So if you would love to write it down, give giveaway. Just give. If you write give, then it will show here giveaway. Click on that. Make sure that it's ticked over there. Here it is ticked. If it is ticked over there, come to this area and go to the creator studio. Here creator updates. See this one, it can be like this. Okay, there is a small tick over there, so click on that area. All the options inside this, it will be shown over there. This is that giveaway. Click on that giveaway, click on that line, that things, you'll be able to enter it. Okay, everybody joined. Tamim, let me know. People no need to send message on channel check. Just click on the emojis. Yeah, just you don't need to, yeah, no need to give any kind of message or something. Just click on that emoji here. Just click on that emoji. That's all. Nothing else. Click over there. You'll get your entries. I can see 77 people has entered already. Please do that. Just do that. Again, go to this browse channel here. Write it down. Giveaway. GI. Just GI. Then it will show here trading giveaway. Make sure that it ticked over there. Here, okay, it ticked over there. If it is ticked over there, on the left, go to this creator updates. Make sure that it has shown all the options. So here all the options are over there. Giveaway, click on that. That's all. Okay, it came until this entry gap. Now it is reacting and going for that buy side liquidity. So maybe I will get stopped out to the break even this trade, as I am not able to close the entries in this entry fair value gap. But if you are able to close your entries over here to this entry fair value gap, which is 23 handle, if you think it's good, then obviously this is a good trade, right? 23 handle is still. Otherwise, just accept the break even. That's all. If everyone has joined already, then we are going to start the giveaway. And guys, at the same time, make sure that you have joined our YouTube channel as well, so that you are not going to miss the next giveaway. Okay, teamed. Tamim, what do you think? Should we do the streaming? I mean, sorry, giveaway here in YouTube, because some people can't join or there is some problem. What do you think? Whatever my moderator will tell me, I'll do that. How many people are not able to join? How many people are not able to join here or are not able to click on this emoji? Just write it down. How many people over there? Okay, if it's just you, ICT, then I have nothing to say, brother, because most of the people has already joined. So it has left 4 minutes. Winner will be announced within 4 minutes. So within 3 minutes, okay. So within 3 minutes, it will automatically choose one guy from those 83 people. Michael. Okay, keep it through Discord. Okay, I will go for that. If you can't join, I guess you missed already the opportunity because we are promoting this for 1 week already. So if you are not verified or something, I don't know what to say. I don't know exactly. So this giveaway entry will be finished within 3 minutes. And those guys didn't are not able to join. I guess next time we will see or try to another browser, something like that. Okay, so if you don't have the verified phone number, you can't join. I guess. Still not, Marquis. Just go to the giveaway and join the. Just click on over here within 2 minutes. I have just 2 minutes left. One more time, I'm showing. Whoever can do that, just do that. If you have the verified phone number, I think you will be able to join. Just go to this browse channel, write it down there, giveaway. It will show over here. Make sure that it's ticked over there. Here, it's ticked over there. If it is ticked over there, come here on the left, creator updates. Creator updates, make sure that it has shown all the options. So there is an arrow. You can click on that arrow and it will show all of these options. There is the giveaway. Go to this giveaway and click here on that flower or something like that. Just click on that flower or something. 80 people have joined, so I believe that, yeah. So this is the last minute. Let's see who is going to be the winner. Okay, this is gonna finish within 1 minute. So I would love to stay here to see the name who is gonna be the winner. Let's see, man. Last minute, when the minute will finish, winner will be announced automatically by the bot. Let's hope. Who is gonna be the winner? Tell me the name. Who is gonna be the winner? 43 second, 42 second, 41, 40, 39, 38, 35. Let's see. Did you see the second count here? It's here in 28 seconds, 10th January 2025. Okay, so in 24 seconds now, 23. Let's see. I also joined. If I can be the winner, let's see. If I'm the winner, then I'm gonna take that on. Obviously not. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay. What is the winner? There you go. Congratulations. Who is that? How can I see the name? Is it steamer mode enabled? Who is that guy? I just send you the friend request and going to give you a message. Then I will see who is that is. Hello. Oh, okay. I can't deliver. He has to accept my request. Who is that guy? His name is S dot 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 dot. Oh, it's Sisto. Sisto, can you please accept my friend request so that we can continue contact? By the way, congratulations, Sisto. I don't know why I can't see your name, but congratulations, brother. Oh, okay, that's you. Just accept my friend request. I have already sent you the friend request. Accept it. Look at that fall. How beautiful fall. It come back again until this area. One more time. Stop me out, and then this is going to take that sell side liquidity. Perfect. But that small run actually maybe it stopped me out. Sell side liquidity is clean. Perfect. Congratulations, Sisto. And yeah, guys, that's all. So, guys, from the weekly chart to until now, I believe that uh weekly chart perfectly traded all of this area. That was the liquidity has been taken. Let's see if it can keep falling. I want to say it will keep falling for next sell side liquidity over there. We'll see over there how it is going to trade. In Friday NFP, we are expecting that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Market has taken that sell side liquidity perfectly. Now it is keep falling. Would love to see if it can reach to this last parabolic from the daily chart. So this is the last parabolic from the daily chart. Would love to see if it can come until this last parabolic from the daily chart. So let me mark it as a daily parabolic. Yeah, if it can come until this, I don't think so it will fall that far. But if it is fallen like that way, I'll be very happy because then I could look for those liquidity here. Those liquidity I can look for. And finally, this parabolic I'll keep looking for. Can market stop this fall by this gap, or is it like keep willing to go higher from this last? We'll see that. Okay. Okay, Sisto. Yeah, I just gave him the friend request. I believe that. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Sisto. I'll talk to you. After this stream, I'll talk to you. Just make sure that you give me the reply, please. From the 15-minute chart, that was our trading for today. I believe that it was a lot of boom today, and the way we explained the price action was little cool. Okay, because of the volatility, went for the micro. Nah, it was cool. 1 minute and here. This is the 1 minute chart. This sell side liquidity is my now next limit, or thinking that it will take this liquidity and then it will go for the next liquidity level, which is over here. That is the liquidity. Can it fall for this sell side liquidity or not? Anybody has any question? If you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, we are done for today. Oh, okay. Gupta, I didn't know that. By the way, congratulations, sister. I don't know, brother. The fall down has done already. Now, if market failed to take this low, that low, if market failed to take that low today, here, or just sweep that low, like fall, if it wants to go higher now, it doesn't need to take that low. But if it would love to fall, obviously it will take this low, and then I want to see the speed through that low. If I get the speed through that low, which I really would love to see around the PM session, if before the PM session, if market just sweep the liquidity and then started to go higher, that is the best case of scenario for me, because I wanna look for this buy side liquidity, this high and that high. That is my interest to see. But if it fall closed below this low with a speed over there, then this sell side liquidity will be my next target. From 15-minute chart, seems like that market is falling for this sell side liquidity. All depends how market is going to close below that low. So if there is a big run through that low from 50-minute chart, this sell side liquidity will be taken. Otherwise, this market has more possibility to go higher. My weekly target has been done. I really don't want to frame any other setup over here. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, see you Monday. And still, I'm not sure about the weekly analysis, because so far you have already got some precision. Try to practice this, and if I get the time, I'll do the weekly analysis as well for you guys. Okay. And so far I got 131 likes. That was also cool. Thank you so much, guys, for joining over here, and we'll see you around the Monday. Until then, cheers.